Welcome to the ultimate guide to the best juice makers on the market. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to kickstart your day with a nutritious blend of fruits and veggies, or a busy parent in need of a quick and convenient way to get your daily dose of vitamins, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the top juice makers available, each carefully selected for its performance, versatility, and ease of use. From powerful juicers to innovative cold press machines, all the links of juicers mentioned in the video are stated in the description below. Get ready to revolutionize your juicing experience. Let's juice it up. At number 7 we have the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. It offers a compact and convenient solution for at-home juicing. Its all-in-one design allows for easy assembly without the need to store extra parts separately, making it a space-saving option. Additionally, the inclusion of a portable cup adds to its portability, allowing users to juice on the go. At an affordable price point, it provides excellent value for money. Weighing only 3.5 pounds and standing 7 inches tall, it's smaller and lighter than standard juicers, further enhancing its portability. The large 52-ounce pulp bin minimizes the need for frequent emptying during juicing sessions. However, some users may find a layer of foam on the juice, and the noise level comparable to a blender may be bothersome, especially for those looking for a quieter juicing experience. Additionally, it may not be suitable for big batch juicing due to its narrow food tube and limited capacity. Overall, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet Mini Juicer offers convenience and portability at an affordable price, ideal for users with small-scale juicing needs. Next up we have the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. It offers great performance at a surprisingly low cost, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers. Its powerful motor effortlessly crushes carrots, kale, ginger, and apples, delivering impressive results during testing. Additionally, its lightweight design enhances portability and storage convenience, setting it apart from bulkier options. The NeverClog feature lives up to its name, ensuring uninterrupted juicing without motor stoppage or reversal. Cleaning is a breeze, with dishwasher-safe parts and easy pulp removal. However, compared to pricier counterparts, this juicer operates slower and extracts slightly less juice, which may be a drawback for some users seeking maximum efficiency. Despite this limitation, for those unwilling to splurge on high-end models, the Ninja NeverClog offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. At number 5 we have the FretaPro Max Slow Masticating Juicer. It offers a host of impressive features. Firstly, its powerful yet quiet 200-watt DC motor ensures efficient juice extraction while operating at noise levels below 70 decibels, providing a peaceful juicing experience. The extra-large 3-inch wide feed chute eliminates the need for tedious cutting, reducing oxidation and retaining more nutrients. Crafted with BPA-free Triton material, the juicer prioritizes safety and health. 2 speed modes and a reverse function cater to a variety of ingredients, preventing clogging and simplifying cleaning. With low-speed cold press technology operating at 80 RPM, the juicer maximizes juice yield, minimizes waste, and preserves nutritional value. Easy assembly and cleaning further enhance user convenience, making it a hassle-free experience. However, some users may find the price point of this juicer to be higher compared to others on the market. Overall, the FretaPro Max Slow Masticating Juicer offers a blend of efficiency, convenience, and health benefits for juice enthusiasts. Moving up the ranks we have the AM Chef Self-Feeding Masticating Juicer. It boasts convenience as its most significant selling point, thanks to its large feeding cup that eliminates the need for constant ingredient addition. Its 5.3-inch feeding chute allows for whole-sized fruits like apples, saving preparation time. However, users should still cut fruits with crude fibers and seeds for optimal performance and motor longevity. Cleanup is relatively easy, though removing pulp trapped in the pulp spout's rubber gasket can be challenging. Despite this, the juicer offers efficient juice extraction, retaining varying amounts of moisture in the pulp of processed fruits and vegetables. Powered by a 250 West motor, it accelerates the juicing process while ensuring a higher yield of vitamins and nutrients. Safety features include automatic operation, stoppage if the feed chute lid is left open, and BPA-free parts for a worrying-free juicing experience. Continuing our journey we have the Amuma Slow Masticating Juicer. It impresses with its innovative features and efficient design, enhancing the juicing experience. Its high-quality construction and spacious 5.3-inch feed chute streamline juicing, allowing for whole fruit processing without extensive chopping. The slow squeeze technology preserves juice freshness and nutrients, while the self-feeding mechanism and anti-jam reverse function optimize juicing efficiency. Cleaning is swift, aided by the provided specialized brush. With a 250-watt motor and cold press technology, this juicer ensures a high yield of vitamins and nutrients while operating at just 43 RPM, mimicking hand squeezing. Despite its premium performance, the price may be considered steep by some. Overall, the Hurom slow masticating juicer offers a premium juicing experience, combining advanced features with excellent performance and nutrient-rich results. At number 2 we have the Hurom Whole Slow Juicer, particularly the Breville 830 model. It impresses with its quick and efficient juicing operation, yielding delicious pulp-free juice. Its two auto-cutting feed tubes reduce prep time significantly, accommodating whole produce like apples and carrots without the need for chopping. Additionally, its innovative features, including a citrus attachment and nesting juice and pulp cups, enhance versatility and ease of use. However, its premium quality comes with a hefty price tag, making it one of the most expensive options available. While it performs admirably in tests, some users may find cleaning a bit cumbersome, particularly with pulp removal. Despite these drawbacks, Hurom offers a generous 15-year limited warranty, reflecting confidence in its durability and performance. For those seeking a powerful, technologically advanced juicer with versatile capabilities, the Hurom Breville 830 is a top contender, albeit at a premium price point. Topping our list is the Hurom Vertical Cold Press Juicer. It stands out as a heavy-duty machine that delivers exceptional results. Its efficient juicing process produces the best-tasting, smoothest juice, making it a top choice for juice aficionados. With solid construction and a small countertop footprint, it exudes durability and stability. However, its premium quality comes at a price, and its narrow feed chute requires pre-cutting ingredients, adding to preparation time. Despite this drawback, its high juice yields and long-term durability justify the investment. The Hurom offers a 15-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. While lacking extra attachments for nut butters, it excels at its primary function, making outstanding juice. For those ready to invest in a top-tier cold-press juicer that delivers unparalleled performance, the Hurom Vertical is a stellar choice. In conclusion, selecting the best juicer depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're willing to invest in top-notch quality and performance, the Hurom Vertical and Hurom Whole Slow Juicer stand out with their exceptional features and efficiency, albeit at a higher price point. For those seeking a balance between performance and affordability, options like the Hurom Slow Masticating Juicer and Freda Pro Max offer innovative features and reliable performance without breaking the bank. There's a juicer out there to suit your needs and elevate your juicing experience.